You go to pay?
Yeah, we're gonna go pay after you're done, okay, bud? Do you want some do you need crayons?
Yeah.
Want mommy to get you some crayons?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Yep. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.